Hello and welcome. My name is Rosalina Senora Ungkak from Keningau Vocational College, and there are 3 members in our team. First one is me, Devi Ayuni, and Jolika Sun.
As cosmetology students, we always offer service outdoor away from our college and sometimes in rural areas. We need warm water to keep our tools clean and for the beauty treatment that we do. However, it is sometimes so difficult to access such warm water when we are in village and in outdoor public place.
This is the sketch of our cutie cloud. On the left side, it is the full view of how the device will look like. We'll have an on-off switch with a red and green light bead beside it. Then there will be one large hose for our fingers to soak in. Then, there's also a handle to pull out a small drawer that will be the place where we put our water. Underneath the drawer, there will be the place where the wires and batteries at. Now, on the right side is how the device would look inside.
And this is our solution. So, we plan to create a device called Cutie Cloud made of discarded items that can heat water for us whenever we are stationed outdoor and away from our college and beauty premises. Moving on is the budget that we estimated. For the Vocational Triple Air, it is 22 ringgit and 90 cents. For the small wires, it is 5 ringgit and 50 cents. For the on-off switch button, it is 1 ringgit and 80 cents. For the light bead, it is 10 ringgit. For the shipping fee, it is 20 ringgit. Rounded all up, it will be 60 ringgit and 20 cents. Thank you.